Hello everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Subs Cooking. Today I'm going to share with you quick and easy garlicky shrimp, and it's very tasty and very delicious. And how do I cook it? That I'm going to share with you. I have a 4-pound farm raised white shrimp. These are huge shrimp. I'm going to wash them with the cold water and I'm going to make it very tasty and delicious. Get a fry pan and we're going to start gas. We're going to keep the gas on high. I'll bring olive oil. 1 tablespoon olive oil. And we're going to bring butter. It's 1 stick equivalent to 8 tablespoons. If you are health conscious, please avoid it. If you want to enjoy the buttery garlic shrimp, then this is a must. We're going to make sure the butter is nicely melted. As the butter melts, I'm going to bring the shrimp. We're going to cook them on high flame. So we're going to keep turning. Look at that beautiful color. We're going to keep them turning and as they cook. This is a lot of shrimp. It's a 4-pound shrimp. Cooking for 2 minutes. This is how the shrimp started to look. We're going to make sure that the one needs to cook. They need to go on the bottom. Cooking for 10 minutes. And I will keep turning all the shrimps. They are nicely changed the color. They're looking beautiful. And now I'm going to bring, you can use fresh garlic or you can use garlic powder. 1 tablespoon garlic powder. Mix it well again. I'm going to bring the gas to medium and we're going to mix the garlic powder. It smells so good. Once the garlic powder is nicely mixed, I'm going to bring salt. And salt is always according to taste, and I'm going to use like a 1 teaspoon. And that will be good enough. Black pepper, 1 teaspoon. Red crushed pepper, that's according to taste. I'm going to use 2 teaspoons. And we're going to give a good mix. We have a lot of melted butter at the bottom. So when we mix it, it mixes with the butter and it gives a nice coating to all our shrimps. So keep mixing and keep your gas on medium. Our shrimp is fully cooked. You don't want to overcook your shrimp. They're looking so delicious. I'll bring parsley flakes. 1 tablespoon is a dry parsley. And that's going to give us a nice flavor. You can use fresh parsley. This is perfect. Mix it well. So once it's nicely combined with parsley flakes, our buttery, garlicky shrimp is all ready. And now I'm going to turn off the gas. Please try it and you're going to like it. If you like this recipe, like always, like, share and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.